Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Happy Monday, April the 20th. Today we are going to work on the coordinate plane, which if you've ever played the game Battleship, it's very similar to Battleship. So what we're going to do is we are going to use like a map, and we're going to plot little points called coordinates. So first let's look at a coordinate plane, and let's just talk about the different parts of the coordinate plane. So this is a subpar average way of drawing a coordinate plane. Cut me some slack, it's difficult to write on this thing here. So it's basically like you have two number lines. These number lines both start at 0, which is called the point of origin. So right here, this is 0. It's 0 on this bottom number line, and it's 0 on this number line over here. So when something goes up and down, that is called a vertical. So right here, it's a vertical. They're called axes or axes. This is called the y-axis, and it goes up and down. So normally it's labeled right here with a y. Okay, so y is up and down. It's like, why do birds fly? You got to think of a goofy way to remember. Y is up and down. Or when you make a Y, you can make it with a line that goes up and down perfectly. So that is your Y. The biggest mistake students make is they confuse this line and this line. The line going up and down is your Y. This one right here is the x-axis. So the x-axis is basically saying how far to the right do you go, and then the y is how far up. So it's always over, up. What do you mean over and up? Well, because let's say you have a line. I'm just going to randomly put a dot, sorry, not a line. Let's say you have a coordinate. I'm just going to randomly put a coordinate there. Let's call this coordinate A. Okay, so if someone's like, well, where is coordinate A? You would say, it's over 2 up 1. So we can give it like a GPS tells you where something is. They're called latitude, longitudinal like coordinates. Same thing with the coordinate plane. So you would show A like this. You'd say A, and then you'd say A is over twice and up once. So A's coordinates are 2, 1. So a coordinate is like x, y. How far over, how far up. So there's A. So on your problems today, it has you look at the graph and tell me where A, B, and C is on that graph. So you're going to find the letter A, and you're going to show me. So if you're looking at your worksheet right now, where is the letter N? Well, it's over 5, up none. So it would be 5, 0, like this. N, 5, 0. Cool? So a coordinate plane has a y-axis and an x-axis. The first thing you do is go over. How many over? Well, the A is over twice. And then you go up. The up with A goes up 1. So the coordinates of A are 2, 1. And then it might tell you to plot, but that's later on. Okay, so then it said right in the point for each ordered pair. So the second box, you are going to look at the ordered pair, like 5, 0. Let's pretend it says 8, 1 instead. So if it says write the ordered point for each ordered pair, and it says what coordinate is 8, 1? Well, over 8, up 1 is D. So that would be D. And then the last question on today's homework, or on today's work, says the coordinate plane is made up of 2 different axes. The axis that goes horizontal or left to right is called the blank axis, and the axis that goes up and down is called the blank axis. All right, I think this should help you find those answers. And so watch, and good luck. And then when you're finished with these questions, watch the next video, and the next video will tell you whether or not you got them right. Thank you.